Bernard and Marshall starring in Math, according to Bernard and Marshall by Allison M. Esquivel. Volume 2. Project 2. Can you solve your problems? Oh. Bernard. Explanation. Now. Which part? You tell why we're buying the building or why I just panicked with Carla? All the above. It's a long story. Well, start telling it, buddy. Carla was the tutor I almost ate, and she wasn't my first tutor either. Go on. The tutors I had before her and you weren't great fits for me. Mostly because of all the off-topic stuff I'd ask them. Then I was placed with Carla. Okay, and then 1 week BM before Marshall. And introducing Carla. Okay, Burr, ready to get started? Let's say my phone service charges me a different amount per month at $55 every 10 gigabytes. If I use more than that, it adds $16 to the final charge. If I use more than 10 gigabytes for a year, 12 months, how much would I pay? And how much would $175 cover for me? Part A, 55 plus 16x equals what? X equals the months used for using more than 10 gigabytes. So 55 plus 16 times 12, which in turn is 55 plus 192, that gets me $247. And part B, we subtract 55 from both sides, which gives us 120, which we divide by 16. And roughly, that gives us 7.5 months of more than 10 gigabytes covered. You still with me, bud? Yeah, what's next? I'm glad you asked. Question 2. Either I choose a part-time job with a weekly rate of $100 per week plus $18 every hour worked, or a job without the weekly rate but pays $14 an hour. If I choose either job and work 14 hours a week, what are my rates here? Take it away, Burr. So 1A is 100 plus 8x. We need to figure out the answer. 1B is 100 plus 14 times 8, which turns into 112. So 112 plus 100 gives us 212. As we know, x equals the hours per week. 2A is 14x, and we need to figure out what the answer to that is. 2B is 14 times 14, which gives us 196. So $212 would be a better rate than 196. That's right! Woohoo! Don't swallow. Uh-oh. Wait! Ooh, wait, what happened next? I didn't stick around after. She probably hates me for almost eating her. This is where I would go sometimes to get some time away from everyone else. Oh. Well, a goldfish can survive up to 3 hours out of water. And you ran at full speed of 35 miles per hour. With that full water picture of 4 gallons, she would have lived for at least 3 weeks, and she was found that same night. I'd say you're a lifesaver. Thanks, Bar. Sorry about your tail, by the way. I was going for your scruff. Earlier. Oh, hi, Carla. Ow! Bernard! Well, it still hurts. But I forgive you. Now how long do we need to wait outside? Well, the cleaner is here around 5. It's 6:55 now. He always has keys to the dumpster. There's 42 trash bins in the building he needs to empty. Let's figure this out. So the 42 cans are empty 7 days a week, taking 75 minutes daily. Then he goes to the lounge, which will take 20 minutes if he needs to clean up today. Add in more walking minutes. We only need to wait for him how many more minutes? A plus bx equals c. Just find this x. So a equals 42, b equals 7, c equals 105. So we need to find x. We subtract 42 from both sides. That gives us 63. X equals the remaining minutes. So we divide 7 by both sides. So x equals 9 remaining minutes. So we just need to wait 9 extra minutes. That's not too bad. Yeah, hopefully. To be continued. Again. Will the janitor take longer than expected? Or will someone else find them in time before nightfall? Or will they be stuck there for the rest of the night? You just need to find out. Join us next time for volume 3 of Math, according to Bernard and Marshall. Directed, produced, written, and voiced by me. No AI involved. Again, stay tuned for part 3. End of project number 2.